is Divish Majan. Today's date is 4th April 2022. Today's video topic is instance variable and static variable. Instance variables are declared in a class but outside method, constructor or an block. Where static class variables are also known as static variables and are declared with a static keyword in a class but outside a method and constructor or a block. Instance variables are created when an object is created with the use of keyword new and destroyed when the object is destroyed. Static variables are created when a program starts and destroyed when the program stops. Instance variables can be accessed directly by calling variable name inside class. However, within a static method, when instance variables are given accessibility, they should be called using fully qualified name, object reference or variable name. Where static variables can be accessed by calling with class name dot variable name. Instance variable holds value that must be referenced by more than one method, constructor or a block, or an essential part of an object states that are created from it must be present throughout the class. There would be only one copy of each class variable per class, regardless of how many objects are created from it. Static versus instance method. Instance methods are methods which require object of its class to be created before it can be called. Where static methods are that method in Java that can be called without creating an object of class. Static method is declared with a static keyword. Instance method is not with static keyword. Static method means which will exist as a single copy for a class, but instance method exists as a multiple copies depending on number of instances created for that class. Static method can be invoked by using class reference. Instance or non-static methods are invoked by using object reference. Static method can't access instance method and instance variable directly. Instance method can access static variables and static method directly. The difference between static block and instance block. Static initialization block. To define a static initialization block, we use keyword static, where no keyword is required to define the instance initialization of block. Static initialization block loads as soon as a class loads, and it is not associated with a call to constructor of that class of object for object creation. An instance initialization block is only executed when there is a call to constructor for creating an object. A static block can only access static variables and static methods of its class. An instance initialization block can not only access static variable and static method, but also instance variables and instance method of the class. There is no automatic call to superclass constructor from the static initialization block. And instance in this initialization block always make an automatic call to superclass and shifter by calling super before executing any other statement in it. Thank you.